Hello and welcome to MDReady. It's your free to download, quick and easy starter guide to working with the EU MDR. Its objective is to help you understand key requirements and to build foundations for a successful MDR compliance journey. It lets you see how quality management, post-market surveillance, risk management and other aspects all integrate together to produce a living, breathing compliance system. And it will help you understand timelines and begin planning resources and resource requirements for your own MDR compliance journey. Knowledge precedes action, so we're giving you this for free so that you can make the best possible start to your compliance journey and make the most of other resources and services available through Mantra Systems. So if you're just starting on your compliance journey, be sure to download MDReady today and begin your compliance journey with confidence and certainty.